In this video, we're going to look at how we use the count function in Microsoft Excel. So there's a couple of different types of count you can use. I'm going to go through each one in this video. So the first one is normal count. So just equals count like that. Now what this does is this counts the number of cells that only contain numbers. Okay, so look at the examples here. It'll only count how many cells have these kind of numbers in. It'll ignore the blanks. I'll ignore words. So if you think number of legal throws are the only ones that get scores, so I can do equals count and highlight the cells that I want to count, and it's giving me 11. If I count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so that's words. It's counted only the ones that have numbers in, so that is equals count. The next one is count A. So the count A function counts cells containing any type of information, including numbers and text. So that'll be your number of attempted throw. So if you look here, that'll also include the fouls as well. So they've still thrown it, but they've not quite done as well as they'd like. So equals count A. At them all, so I'll get the 11 plus all the fouls. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fouls, so that's 16. So that has worked. Now the next one I'm going to do is the count blank, which is number of people who didn't take part, so this one here. So that one is going to do equals count blank and highlight all these, and you see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 people who didn't actually throw the ball. Now this one is a little bit different, because this one is slightly more specific as to a different formula. So the other ones are a bit easier because we've got just equals count, count A, count blank. Now this one, we're looking for something very specific. We're looking for the word foul. So what I need to use is a COUNTIF. So, excuse me, COUNTIF, it searches for a specific number, expression, cell reference, text string, and it counts those things that are meeting those criteria. So I can do equals COUNTIF. The range will be the same as all the other ones. Now my criteria is just going to be foul. So like that. You see it's counted the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fouls. So that's count, count A, COUNTIF, and count blank. Now another way I could use COUNTIF, I'm going to do it here. So I might be looking for number of scores greater than 40. This one I can do a COUNTIF again, so equals COUNTIF. The range is going to be the same, and now my criteria is going to be greater than 40, like that. And you'll see it's counted 5, so let's check. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can use it for a mathematical search as well as text search and things like that. Hopefully you found that really easy and really interesting, and if you were struggling with it, I really hope it helped. And if you continue watching the videos, you'll see I'm going to go through all the next main functions that you're going to be using in Excel, like such as if functions.